Hello students, today's lesson is irregular verbs. Irregular verbs in English. Did you know that about 70% of the time when we use a verb in English, it is irregular? Irregular verbs can make you go crazy, but in fact they follow some patterns. In this lesson, you will learn groups of irregular verbs that will help you remember them better. First group is verbs with all three forms identical. These verbs are the same in the present, past, and past participle. For example, put. Present, I always put the milk in the refrigerator. Past, yesterday I put the yogurt in the refrigerator. Present perfect. Present perfect uses past participle. I have already put the yogurt in the refrigerator. Other verbs with all three forms identical include bet, let, burst, cost, cut, fit, hit. Hurt, put, quit, set, shut, split, and spread. Verbs with identical present and past participle forms. Past form is different. Come, came, come. Become, became, become. Rang, rang, rang. Verbs with the N in the past participle. You can divide into 4 subgroups. With the O in the past and past participle. With the O in the past only. Past EW. Verb ending. Past participle OWN. And other. Verbs with the N in the past participle. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Get, got, gotten. Speak, spoke, spoken. Steal, stole, stolen. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. In this subgroup, the vowel changes to O in past and past participle. Subgroup 2 has O in the past, but not in the past participle. Ride, drive, drove, driven. Ride, rode, ridden. Riden, rise, rose, risen. Write, wrote, written. Subgroup 3. Fly, flew, flown. Grow, grew, grown. Know, knew, known. Throw, threw, thrown. Subgroup 4. Other. Bite, bit, bitten. Hide, hid, hidden. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Give, gave, given. See, saw, seen. Shake, shook, shaken. Take, took, taken. Verbs with the pronunciation changes. Long E to short D. Keep, kept, kept. Sleep, slept, slept. Feel, felt, felt. Bled, bled, bled. Feed, fed, fed. Meet, met, met. Verbs with the pronunciation changes. EA pronounced differently. Deal, dealt, dealt. Mean, mint, mint. Read, read, read. Hear, heard, heard. Verbs with the pronunciation changes. Long I changes to OU. Bind, bound, bound. Find, found, found. Grind, ground, ground. Wind, wound, wound. Short I changes to U. Dig, dug, dug. Stick, stuck, stuck. Spin, spun, spun. Sting, stung, stung. EL changes to OLD. There are two words, sell and tell. Out endings. Spelling OUGHT. AUGHT. Pronunciation is same. G is silent. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Fight, fought, fought. Seek, sought, sought. Teach, taught, taught. Think, thought, thought. Verbs with the three different vowels changes from I to A to U. Begin, began, began. Drink, drank, drank. Ring, rang, rang. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Sing, sang, sang. Sink, sank, sunk. Spring, sprang, sprung. Swim, swam, swam. Finally, we have completely irregular verbs. These verbs don't follow any specific pattern, so you just need to memorize the past and past participle forms. Am is are to be verb, present. Was were, past. Been, past participle. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. Have, had, had. Make, made, made. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.